last thing which is very very important is the sources from ये where you have to study. Sources कहां से क्या क्या पढ़ना है, the sources. पेपर 1 पेपर 2 सोर्स. सबसे पहले तो सर एज ऑलवेज व्हेन आई से इन जीएस आल्सो दैट द बेस्ट सोर्स इज द क्लास नोट्स. आई विल गिव यू इलेबोरेट नोट्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट एंड देन आफ्टर दिस द क्लास explanations, right? This I will be giving you elaborately, right? इसके बाद आपको अगर किताब खरीदनी है, and I again suggest you don't buy number of books, buy limited books, read them again and again. किताब तो खरीदनी पड़ेगी आपको. तो आप पहले, because we will be starting with thinkers after giving you an idea about what is administration and what is public administration. पहले मैं आपको आइडिया दूंगा कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या है, पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या है, जस्ट एन आइडिया. We will be starting with the thinkers. So you may buy this book called Prasad and Prasad on administrative theories or thinkers. Thinkers के लिए Prasad and Prasad is a relatively good book because the language is not very difficult, but again the warning is read Prasad and Prasad only when you have done the content in the class. Let's say I have taken Taylor, after that read Prasad and Prasad. I have taken Wilson, after that read Prasad and Prasad. I have done Simon, after that read Prasad. No, because if you read before that, you may understand only 10% of what he's saying. But yes, if you can manage with the anxiety, then go ahead with that. थोड़ा priming करके आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं. But yes, once I have done the concept in the class, then you read the book, it becomes easy. Prasad and Prasad, there are other books also on the subject on thinkers. R.K. Sapru की किताब भी है, but as I told you, I don't want to prescribe you number of books. It serves no purpose. होता क्या है, इतना ढेर लग जाता है. This will be a pile. These many books. This will become a burden upon your head. Be relaxed. Enjoy the preparation. For that, reduce the burden of the books. किताबें जितनी कम पढ़ो, कोई बुराई नहीं है उसके अंदर. हाँ, relevant होनी चाहिए. So प्रसाद, क्योंकि thinker is only one chapter. But this covers almost 30% of paper 1. And thinkers are very important. Question may not come directly or question may come directly, but their application will be all through. Thinkers ने जो बातें बोली हैं, ज्ञान दिया है, उसका एप्लीकेशन पेपर 1 में भी होगा, पेपर 2 में भी होगा, all through. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ना भी आए उसके ऊपर आएगा, ना भी आए तो भी इन्होंने जो बात बोली है उसको यूज करना है all through. ओके. प्रसाद एंड प्रसाद के बाद if you want to buy a book, and I just request you, there is a book New Horizons of Public Administration. This book, Mohit Bhattacharya, he's been a great scholar in this area. So he has written a book, New Horizons of Public Administration. Again, the problem is that the book covers relevant areas, but the language which he uses is difficult. Area to cover kar diya usne. He has given some lines, he has given some areas which can come in exam directly also. But he has not given the rich explanation. That is the weakness of the book. But still, once you have done the concept in the class, then you read the book, you will be able to understand it. क्लास में कॉन्सेप्ट करने के बाद आप पढ़ोगे तब आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट आराम से समझ में आ जाएंगे. बट बिना क्लास के पढ़े इसे सीधा पढ़ोगे, इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. इसलिए आई वाज गिविंग अ स्मॉल कॉशन ऑन दैट. फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन द क्लास नोट्स, देन गो विद द बुक्स. क्लास नोट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन, देन यू गो विद द बुक. यस, प्रसाद एंड प्रसाद, प्लीज बाय टुडे इटसेल्फ. प्रसाद एंड प्रसाद चाहो तो आज ही खरीद सकते हो. यू मे बाय द बुक टुडे इटसेल्फ एंड देन स्टार्ट रीडिंग. ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है ये किताब, उसको आप पढ़ना शुरू कीजिए. बिकॉज फ्रॉम टुमारो इटसेल्फ आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग विद दैट थिंकर्स कॉन्सेप्ट. तो आप प्रसाद एंड प्रसाद को रेफर कर सकते हैं. इसके बाद देयर इज वन मोर बुक फॉर पेपर 1. सी दैट वे तो एवरी चैप्टर हैज गॉट अ बुक. विद्युत चक्रवर्ती, पब्लिक पॉलिसी, फाइनेंशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, गोयल, CPA, development, Aurora, Henry, but you will not be able to understand what they have written and you don't have that much time also to go through all those books. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं आपको लिमिटेड किताब पढ़िए. क्लास नोट्स, हाँ जी सर, उसमें भी है थोड़ा सा. मोहित भट्टाचार्य also has got see let me complete, then you ask a question. I have a very humble request as I say in GS batch also कि मुझे खत्म करें तो फिर मैं आपको ऑप्शन दूंगा पूछने का सवाल. I give you complete time to ask a question. Okay, but let me finish with what I have to say and then you can ask a question. ठीक है? So just wait for me to complete then. इसके बाद एक किताब है इसके अंदर, फाड़िया एंड फाड़िया. My handwriting Chinese you know very well. Fadia and Fadia for public administration. It's a good book for the beginners because the language used is easy and it has given number of examples also. But again, it's a very bulky book. काफी मोटी किताब है. So going through the book may not be possible for you. What I do, selectively I will give you some information, some notes from the book also. मैं खुद आपको इससे कुछ notes दूंगा. So even when you don't buy the book, doesn't make a difference. I will be giving you some notes from this book also and from other areas also which are required. ठीक है? Let me complete, then I allow you to question also. Completely you can ask any question relevant to this. Paper 2. Paper 2 में again the same thing. Class notes, explanations. यहाँ एक किताब आती है. There is a book which you should buy for paper 2. This is still some time for buying this book because paper 2 will start after some time, after almost 2 months. हम paper 2 शुरू करेंगे तो अभी खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is Arora and Goel on Indian administration. Arora and Goel है, अच्छी किताब है. It has given the concepts in simple language, but I will not say that this is the book. Yes, this is a good book, but it's not the best book. Arora and Goel अच्छी किताब है, अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, कंसाइज फॉर्म में दे रहा है, लैंग्वेज भी इजी है, बट फिर भी मैं वार्निंग आपको दे रहा हूं, कोई ऐसी किताब नहीं है जो 100% चीज में आपको हेल्प करते. बट यस, सिलेक्टिवली अगेन आई विल बी गिविंग यू सम इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम दिस ऑल्सो. So if you want to buy the book, you can buy the book. Otherwise, I will be giving you some information from my own side from the book. Class notes explanation, Arora and Goel, Ramesh Arora and Rajni Goel. इसके बाद, sir, there will be some reports and recommendations. Reports, for example, second ARC report, okay, pay commission report, some law commission report, or let's say a particular committee or commission were formed by government in certain areas, what they have recommended, what they have said. So leave this job upon us. We will be giving you the reports and the recommendation which you have to go through. Don't look for material on the internet. Material is endless. If you enter into the area of searching material, the search will never end. इसलिए leave this job upon us. What you have to do is be regular with the class. Whatever I explain, note down. Class notes लीजिए. ये बुक आप खरीदना चाहो तो you can buy this book. Report and recommendation leave upon us. But then read one magazine also. ये मैगजीन आप देखिएगा, योजना एंड कुरुक्षेत्र, बिकॉज केस स्टडीज कैन बी पिक्ड अप. कुछ केस स्टडी है, फॉर एग्जांपल अ पर्टिकुलर आईएएस ऑफिसर डिड समथिंग फॉर द रूरल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्टिकुलर विलेज, पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक, पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. किसी ऑफिसर ने किसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए कोई अच्छा काम किया, दैट मे कम इन द मैगजीन. Government started a particular scheme for, let's say, rural development, that will be in the magazine. You can use those examples, those case studies in the examination. That's why I tell you, Yojana Kurukshetra, you may buy very very thin book. मोटी नहीं है, बहुत पतली पतली किताब है. इनको आप हर महीने थोड़ा देख लीजिए. Very easy to cover. Selectively you have to make notes from them. बस बहुत पतली किताब है, very thin. In one day you can cover both. ठीक है. So this is all about paper 1 and paper 2. I'm sure you must have understood only 50%. But even when with 50% you have some question, you can ask me. And then after that I'll start with the concept. Orientation जो मैं आपको देना चाहता था, this is done. But all through every day I will be giving you some or the other important aspect regarding the preparation. So orientation will actually end when the course will be over. This is only the basic orientation which I had to give you. Now let me take this question. Yash Singla. So does Mohit book also consist of thinkers? Sir, it is not actually specifically for thinkers, but yes, it has talked about certain thinkers. But it dedicated, it's not dedicated book for thinkers. Prasad and Prasad only thinkers. Mohit Bhattacharya, what is public administration? What are various aspects of public administration? Comparative public administration, financial management, public policy. उसे सब चीज कवर कर रखे, but not at length. Sapna Solanki. And see, because you are number of people you are and I am alone, so I have to read the question one by one. Don't buy Lakshmikant. Don't buy Lakshmikant. Don't buy Lakshmikant. Don't buy Lakshmikant. Lakshmikant will not help you in this examination. Lakshmikant will not help you in this examination. Lakshmikant public administration की book आती है, will not be helpful. श्रेया अग्रवाल सर, क्लास नोट्स भी काफी रह सकते हैं, मगर एक किताब पढ़ने में क्या है ना, देखो टीचर का तो आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू एवरीथिंग विच आई नो एंड विच आई फील इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट स्टिल देयर कैन बी समथिंग विच यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई आई गिवन यू दिस बुक्स. सो इट इज गुड फॉर यू टू बाय द बुक एटलीस्ट वन ऑन एवरी पेपर. लाइक मोहित भट्टाचार्य खरीद लो, पढ़ना शुरू करो. ट्राई टू establish your connection with the terminologies. Sir, I have 3 books only. Prasad and Prasad, Mohit Bhattacharya and Arora and Goel. Do I need something else? Fade and Fade, don't, if you don't have Fade and Fade, don't worry, I'll give you myself. मैं खुद आपको उसमें से selective notes बना के दूंगा. So don't buy the book if you don't have it. Don't buy Lakshmikant, I told you. Sapna, class notes and explanation not sufficient. Class notes and देखो sufficient तो क्या है कि nothing is sufficient that way. Because you read 20 books, still he can ask you a question which may not be covered in all the books. तो आप उसकी टेंशन मत लो. It's like GS only. Where more you read, good for you. But when I say more you read, doesn't mean number of books. हाँ, newspaper and all current affairs will be discussed. We will also be giving you in the class. हम भी आपको देंगे, but that current affairs is mostly for paper 2. Current affairs, newspaper they are mostly for paper 2. ठीक है ना? We will be giving you, don't worry. Just now I told you Fadi and Fadi, if you don't have, don't buy it. I'll give you myself the notes. अगर नहीं है तो खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप just buy मोहित भट्टाचार्य, प्रसाद and प्रसाद. But I am again warning you, the language is a bit difficult. When you sit with the book, be patient, focus upon the concept only. इधर उधर ध्यान में चलाना. एक बात और है सर, what I've seen is that a loss of attention span, because students have got a tendency while they are studying they are using mobile also. Please develop a tendency where for 2 hours when you're studying you don't touch mobile phone. 2 घंटे के लिए जब आप पढ़ाई करो मोबाइल छोड़ना नहीं है आपको. ये टेंडेंसी डेवलप करो. This will increase your attention span. When attention span is there, you can focus. When you can focus, you understand more. Aman, Yojana and Kurukshetra both need to be covered or any of them? Sir, I just now told you cover both. They are very short, very crisp.